Well, welcome, and thank you for learning a little bit more about eBridge from Champion Solutions Group. What exactly is eBridge? Well, it is a scoped application inside of ServiceNow, and it provides bi-directional integrations into your existing applications in your environment. This allows us to augment the CMDB inside of ServiceNow with meaningful data points and also providing orchestration back into your existing investment, your existing enterprise applications, so that you can create workflows from the ServiceNow environment. ServiceNow can be an incredible workhorse in your environment. It can create business rules, escalations, policies, procedures, and automation if you have the right data in your CMDB. What we have noticed throughout working with ServiceNow is a lot of times we have to add data into the CMDB with accurate information populated. And that's where eBridge can help us. eBridge allows bidirectional integration into your existing enterprise applications. These are investments you already have in your environment, such as an endpoint management solution, a mobile solution, your IDS Active Directory. Bringing this information into your CMDB allows your ServiceNow developers to create meaningful applications, orchestrations, and workflows that can call back over eBridge into these enterprise applications to create automatic workflows. So, with that, let's take a quick tour of some of the girders, those integration points that eBridge delivers to you. So what we want to do now is just poke at some of the default integrations we have in enterprise applications. We're not going to cover all of them. But again, we find enterprise applications have some of that data that would be really nice in the CMDB. The screen up here we have at the moment is called JASK. It is an enterprise SIM, and it has a lot of information about assets, incidents in your environments, and users. So that data can help populate your CMDB, but also allows us to bring JASK data into ServiceNow to give you an executive dashboard. We can also call back into JASK. If we look at some of the other girders, for example, in this one here where we're looking at SolarWinds, if you're a SolarWinds customer, again, a lot of good information, asset information, user information. We can also create the, again, executive dashboard about that, but the point being is adding this information into the CMDB and augmenting that data and providing callbacks to the SolarWinds environment. QRadar is another great example, another SIM technology from IBM. It also has a self-discovery, looking at vulnerabilities, assets in your environment. We can pull this data into ServiceNow to again provide executive dashboards and also callbacks into the QRadar environment. Another great example, if you have BigFix or SECM, this is excellent to provide user in-depth data, software about your assets, configuration about your assets above and beyond what Discovery can do, while also providing that orchestration callback to create patching scenarios, to go to your cab, to push software. All of the functions through workflows behind ServiceNow can be called back over eBridge. At the end of the day, what this ends up doing with the core eBridge is we have a lot more data points that we correlate as we create integrations into these various applications that really give us all the details about all the assets in your environment and all the users and all the different things that are going on. Same thing with Core to Azure. We can create tickets to move users to different security groups. Once they get approved, we can automatically have that request fire off, call back over eBridge, move users into different groups, on and off board users. And again, what that gives us a lot more data points. So the main screen of the core, we can really take a look at your environment as a whole, seeing everything your enterprise application has to offer, your different applications, being able to provide overviews that cover your entire environment. And again, because we have bi-directional capability, which each and every one of these enterprise applications over eBridge, we can really create some really unique workflows for your environment, automating the mundane and removing human error. The amount of data that we augment into ServiceNow, creating really good information in that CMDB, helps you totally accelerate what your ServiceNow investment means to you. So this was a really quick overview of what eBridge delivers. When we walk through just a few of our integration points at this point, I hope you enjoyed watching. And if you want to learn more about eBridge, please visit us on the Champion website. I appreciate your time and I hope you have a great day.